In today's video I want to show you how to integrate Apple Maps inside your Flutter project without any third-party third-party library, sorry. So this is the output. As you can see, this is the Apple Map, and the red annotation which you see, that is our place, that is my location. So yeah, let's get started. Now this video will be only about integrating Apple Maps to get the location without any third-party library. I already have a video on my channel, so if you are interested on how to do that, you can check this out. But for this tutorial I will be hard coding the location which I have. So as usual, I have created a Flutter project, and next what I am doing is that I have refactored my homepage widget to include scaffold, safe area. Then I am expanding the size box to occupy the entire width and height, and inside that I have a custom widget called my Apple Map View. Now inside my Apple Map View, as you know, Apple Maps are only for iOS platform. So if you try to run it on Android, it won't work, and I don't have any Android implementation. So here you can write placeholder as well, something, or you can display Google Maps. I already have a video on Google Maps as well, how to integrate that both for Android and iOS. So if you are interested, you can check that out as well. But this is for Apple Maps, and it only works for iOS or Apple platforms. So as usual, I have created a stateless widget. I have created a variable which will help us identify uh, native element from Dart side to native side. Next, as usual, I have followed the documentation, and you have to define a UIKit view and pass the view type, and these are like boilerplate which you have to write. Next, go to iOS, go to runner, go to appdelegate.swift, and this is boilerplate code which you have to write. The only thing which you have to change is this string should be the same which you have defined it on the Dart side. And here I have instantiated a Swift file, so we will have to create this Swift file. So I have created this Swift file over here, and this is like boilerplate code which I have just copied from documentation. Whenever you are trying to create a native UI element, this code would remain the same, only the file name might change. File name will change. That's it, everything else remains the same. And here you can see I have instantiating another Swift file this. So you will have to create this Swift file as well. So I have created this Swift file. Again, just a quick tip for you: if you don't create the Swift files from VS Code, open iOS folder inside Xcode and then write all this code, otherwise you will face a lot of issues. Next, I have just imported MapKit, UIKit, and Flutter. Next, I have extended NS object and Flutter platform view, and I have taken a parent view and initializing inside the init method, and then I am calling create native view, and I am returning our parent view inside this overridden method of view. And here I have created MK map view. If you want, you can use NS layout constraints as well, but I was facing some issues with NS layout constraints, because then you will need to give the height from Dart side to native iOS side. That's why I have avoided that. Here directly within frame, so here within frame I am passing the width and height, and it is occupying the entire width and height of our screen. So yeah, and then I'm adding it to our view. Then here you can see that I'm hard coding the latitude and longitude. But if you want it from your real location, you can check out my other video where you get real location, and then you can pass it to over here using params from Dart side to native side. So once we have the location, then I'm creating a region and setting the region to our map view. Now to create the annotation, you have to use MK point annotation, and once you get the center, assign it to the coordinate, and you can set the title and subtitle to whatever you want, and add it to our map view. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.